only what I see is what is real, I dismissed everything else. I had come to the conclusion that there was nothing after death. And if there's nothing after death, then what's the point of life? At the moment that I decided I was going to give it a go, I felt a movement inside. Christ isn't just the air that I breathe. It also feels like He's my lungs. For whatever reason, Christ wants me here. God wants me here. I was put here. This is right. This is truth. He is eternal, unending. He won't ever not be there. Go for it. Keep going. Don't stop. In the end, He is still there, and when it's all said and done, He'll be waiting at the finish line. Continuing, I see Christ's restoration in me. It's always only Jesus.